Hello everyone, in front of me is LG Q70 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you need to open new message or any other area where you can input some text. And here you've got your current keyboard. To change the letters, to change the default language of your keyboard, tap on Settings icon, select Languages, tap on Add Language, and now you can either scroll all the way down to find the language that you want to apply, or you can enter the preferred language here in a search area. Then Picker, tap on Done to save, and you can remove unnecessary languages. Obviously, you can stay with more than one language and then switch between languages by tapping on space. But if you wish to have one language only, the default one, smoothly do it this way. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.